Hello friends, in the last video we have done containers. I told you in last class there are basically three kinds of containers: lists, tuples and maps, and we did lists. And today's topic is tuples and maps. Assume tuples as fixed lists in which values cannot be changed or appended or deleted. There is only one difference in tuples or lists, that tuples have parentheses at the place of square brackets. I think we should skip this part because I have told you lists so you can do it yourself. Let's move on to maps. In maps we use curly braces. Values in map can be changed or deleted. Map is like a dictionary with keys and values. Map can be a collection of tuples or lists. Now I will make a map on movies. Movies, movies underscore release year equal to. Now I told you that in maps we use curly braces. And this is a string, so I will use quotes. Harry Potter 1, then I will close the string. I will write it in short form because its name is so long, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Now 2000. In maps we can write the movie and the year together. Then I will write like this because it will look better. Harry Potter 2, 2002, enter. Then Harry Potter 3, then 2003, enter. Oops, I mistakenly write 2003. So can you tell when was Harry Potter 3 released? Yes, 2004. So I will change it and do it 2004. First I have to copy movies underscore release year. I have copied it. Now I will paste it here. Yeah. Now I will put square bracket. It is a string, so I will put quotes. H Harry Potter 3 it released in 2004. Then enter. See, now I will check it is right or not. So I will print. Print. Now I will copy it. Movie release here. And paste. I have now copied it. And now I will paste it here. Then enter. See, now I've changed it. Now it is right. Harry Potter 3 was released in 2004. Now I don't want to see Harry Potter 3, so I will delete it. So for deleting I have to do this. First del. Now I will copy this. Movies dot underscore release here. Now I will copy it and then paste it. And I want to delete Harry Potter 3. So I will write Harry Potter 3. Harry Potter 3. Now I will enter it. See, now I will check it is deleted or not. Then print. Now I will copy it. Movies. Release here. Now I will paste it here. Now I will enter. See, Harry Potter 3 is deleted. So you can try another things also from maps. So bye bye. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching our video.